Welcome, content creators, to an incredible journey of content crafting. Today, we're going to dive into the world of cohesive AI, where your wildest content dreams come true. Get ready to learn how to create captivating content that keeps your audience hooked. Are you longing for an AI tool that can make content writing a breeze? Look no further. Cohesive AI is here to revolutionize your writing experience. Let's dive right into it. Head over to cohesive.so, sign up for free. The magic starts with over 50 plus templates, and they're adding more. Imagine effortlessly starting your content with just a few clicks. Watch as I choose the blog generator template. It gives us ideas and prompts to get us started instantly. Just enter the details. But wait, there's more. Cohesive AI's Smart Editor is a game changer. Watch as we customize our content with ease. Bold, italic, underline, the choice is yours. Need more content? No problem. Simply hover over a paragraph, and the AI will generate additional captivating content for you. It's like having an AI co-writer by your side. With Cohesive AI's Smart Editor, you have the power to enhance, summarize, and rephrase any section. This is a game changer. Now, let's take it up a notch. Cohesive AI offers templates for all occasions. Let's explore the YouTube video script template. See how it guides us to create a video on how to use MacBook and one laptop to edit videos? It even suggests the perfect shots for our video. Brilliant! Ready to boost your sales with an eye-catching Facebook ad? Just select the Facebook ad template, enter your product, target audience, and goal. Voila! Your ad copy is ready to rock. Feeling like a content wizard? Cohesive AI puts the power of creativity in your hands. Craft your own custom prompts and see the AI weave its magic into mesmerizing content. The possibilities are limitless, and the results are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Whether you're writing a compelling Amazon review, a heartfelt blog post, or an engaging script, Cohesive AI will elevate your content to new heights. In just 3 minutes, we've seen how Cohesive AI makes content creation a breeze. It's the ultimate tool for writers, bloggers, YouTubers, and marketers. Check the link in the description and unlock the power of seamless content crafting. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update from our channel. Thanks for watching.